We're at Reinstein Woods today, trying to beat the rain and the snow that's supposed to be coming later. We're going to be getting 3 geocaches today, so I guess we're ready to go. What do you say, Brian?
Let's do it.
Okay.
Well, check that out. Somebody did some amazing artwork with metal. It looks like a truck rim, a Cadillac symbol, and other things from cars, fans, and
Looks like there's
hubcap parts.
It looks like there's a steering wheel too. A small steering wheel.
Yeah, a small steering wheel or something, some kind of fan motors, and it's really interesting. It starts from the below where it's a car rim. Over here you have, like I said, there was a Cadillac symbol in there. Not sure what those are. Looks like a bunch of little pulleys maybe. Parts of fans from an old fan from a house. Definitely an interesting thing here at the Nature Center. Okay, enough on that. Let's go find those geocaches.
Let's hit the trails.
Until we get to the first cache. We'll see you there. Nice day. And we'll see the owls.
Oh, look at it. It's Nature's Play Area.
Nature's Play Area. Let's check that out. Kind of a nice little thing. Let's walk in and check it out real quick. A nice little shelter type thing for animals to get inside there and take somewhat shelter. It's nice when people take the time to actually do something like that for nature and for animals. And it looks like the kids could play here also. A little playground, balancing beam, a little table for kids to sit at. This is very interesting. One more other thing that we use besides our GPS is we use our phones because they're great for showing trails, helping you to find your way to the geocache, as Rana's going to display.
So the geocaching app I'm using, I've switched the setting to trails, and it gives me all the trails inside of here, so we're not wandering around aimlessly trying to find caches. We can go straight to them without having to bushwhack, especially in the nature area where it's really not looked as a good thing. So we're going to use these maps here to find our way to the first cache.
So on our way once again.
No, but that's... Are you taping?
Yes.
Oh.
History trail. Warning, Lyme disease. Oh gosh, we all know about ticks. We definitely hate ticks. Shouldn't be too many ticks now. It's kind of cold out. Okay, well, off we go. I'm losing Rana. She's in a hurry to get to the first cache. I guess the faster we get to it, the faster we can get to the next one. We get all 3 of these and get out and mosey on off to another area. Trolley period, BB&L. Wow, there's a lot of interesting stuff in here. Stuff I've never taken the time to read. Any other time I've been in here just caching with other people or in here looking for birds to take photos of. I have a few different photos of some owls and a few birds and some ducks. Maybe I can squeeze them into this video and show them to you all. I'd like to share them with you. Some of you have probably seen them, and others that don't know me probably not. So hopefully you'll enjoy them. Well, I'm gonna shut this down and run up to catch up with Rana. So we'll see you somewhere down the trail. Okay, we're arriving at the second cache here. I do believe this one is a good friend of ours.
We are doing a mystery cache by Shopkeeper Base. I did take the time to figure it out before we came here, so we're just gonna go right to the final.
After you. About 60 feet I have on the GPS. Thumbs up, Rana found it. Look at that. What a sneaky little hide.
I don't necessarily ever take any kind of swag. I do like looking at it.
Oh, what's that?
Isn't he cute?
Inchworm, I think.
That's what I think it is, a little worm.
Yeah. I definitely like the container and the way that was hidden. And it's in a beautiful nature preserve. And Rana has something to say.
All I was going to say is we are the first on a replacement log.
Oh, first to find on the replacement log.
Well, I wouldn't call it a first to find, but...
First to sign on a replacement log.
And Rana seems to have lost her cap for her stamper for some...
Yeah, I'm not seeing it anywhere.
Probably in my pocket, but...
Probably.
Nope, it's not there.
Yeah, let's put the cache away and we'll look for it. Okay, until she finds her cap, I guess we'll see you on our way to the next one. Till we get there.
We're coming up on a split. We can take the lower pond, west pond, or we can take the hidden pond trail. Today, we're going to take lower pond, west pond.
In that case, right turn, Clyde. Know what that movie's from?
Well, I'm not a movie buff, sorry, but...
Oh, Clyde, that was a Clint Eastwood the orangutan.
You gotta remember, I grew up in the country. The closest place to go to movie theater was 20 minutes away, so we didn't spend our time at movies. This is what we spent our time doing, walking in the woods.
Well, there's actually two of those movies. Every Which Way You Can? No. Every Which Way But Loose, yeah. And Every Which Way But Loose, something like that. But there was two different ones. They were good movies. I liked them. I used to enjoy Clint Eastwood movies.
Well, I grew up in the country, and we just spent so much time outdoors. That's all we did. We wandered around outdoors. We didn't watch a lot of TV. We didn't watch movies.
Well, I didn't have to wander around a lot when I was a little kid, because now because of geocaching, I do all the wandering around I never did do.
Yeah, well...
56 years old, I'm still climbing trees. I've climbed more trees in my 50s than I did when I was a little kid.
Well, it looks like we're about 120 feet from the cache.
Okay, let's go find it. Huh, interesting place. I wonder where it could be. I'm shooting over by this big log.
You know what's the great thing about geocaching?
What's that?
There's a city boy like you and a country girl like me hook up to do something like this.
I'm not a city boy.
Well, you were. You were born and raised.
Oh,
that way.
yeah, and now I don't want to go back
And you
to
know
the
what?
city. The city kind of...
I'm wondering if we are on the right side or the wrong side.
I don't know. You tell
Here's
me.
a hole.
Yeah, I was going to check that, but then you started talking and I was listening.
Well, I'm not one to stick my hands in things because I almost touched a snake once, so I let Brian do that.
Well, I'll look, but I don't see nothing in there, and I'm not grabbing.
Not that there's any snakes out this
Well,
time
I'll
of year,
grab.
but
Nope, that's not a rock.
I don't do snakes.
Any idea what size we're even looking for yet?
Let's see.
There was some holes in this tree over here.
Well, the name of it is Over and Under.
So
Judging
yeah.
by the location, I'm gonna say we're in the right spot.
Okay.
We are looking for a regular.
Well, a regular I don't think is going to be over. Of course, you might have to be over to get under. Here, I can go under to get over.
I wonder if we both should take our time
I don't know. I'm going to put this on hold until we get a little closer at what we're looking for. So, till we find it. Okay, our GPS had us way over there at the other end. Then I kind of came over in this direction. Then we went back that way again. So we're kind of bouncing all over the frickin' place. But I'm thinking we're getting close. There's a spot over here. It looks good. It's about...
I think I see the spot.
And I think I found it. Yes. 30 cal plastic ammo can. Walmart special. These are great. When people start stealing the metal ones, you hide these plastic ones because then they decide they don't want those ones and they leave them alone and your cash actually stays where it belongs longer.
And you know what?
What?
Nice and dry.
Yeah. Some of those don't hold up. So this is got a good seal on this one. That's nice. I don't even see it. Oh yeah, there it is. The other end. I've got one of those at home, I think, still on the shelf that I've just been hesitant to even try to hide. I like my metal cans. But to find a nice log or something to put it in, that would be good. In fact, one of mine in an area is supposed to be missing.
And
So
look at...
maybe I'll replace it with the plastic one because it was inside a log.
I wonder if that's one of Signal's relatives.
Looks like an imposter to me. You'll get it if you see one of our other videos on our channel. And that's the third and final cache here in Reinstein Woods Nature Forest, Nature Preserve. So we hope, yeah, tongue twisted. We hope you like it. If you do, give us a thumbs up. Feel free to like our channel. We always like subscribers, and the more the merrier. So till the next journey or adventure, I should say, thumbs up and we'll see you there.
Hi.